Good morning, dear final year students. Today we are going to discussing about Actinomycetes species Streptomyces gracious. Actinomycetes, it is a filamentous gram-positive bacteria. Characteristics of Actinomycetes: it is a gram-positive bacteria and filamentous, forming mycelial structure like fungi. Form spores. Example: Streptomyces and Nocardia. The Actinomycetes is a gram-positive bacteria and filamentous, forming mycelial structure like fungi. ఇక్కడ మనకి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే దీని యొక్క ఫిలమెంటస్ అనేవి ఫంగైలో ఏ విధంగా అయితే మైసీలియంని ఫామ్ చేస్తాయో దాని యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్ లాగా దీనికి కూడా ఫిలమెంటస్ అనేవి ఫామ్ అయి ఉంటాయి బ్యాక్టీరియాకి. ఇట్ ఫామ్ స్పోర్స్. ఇవి స్పోర్స్ని జర్మ్స్ చేస్తాయి. అంతే కాకుండా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్కి ఏంటంటే స్ట్రెప్టోమైసిస్ గ్రేషియస్ అండ్ నొకార్డియా ఈజ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టినోమైసిటీస్. Functions on role of Actinomycetes: degrade, decompose all sorts of organic substances like cellulose, polysaccharides, protein, fats and organic acids, etc. Organic residues, substances added soil or the first attacked by bacteria and fungi and later by Actinomycetes. Because they are slow in activity and growth than bacteria and fungi, the decomposed degrade the more resistant and indecomposable organic substance and matter and produce a number of dark black to brown pigments which contribute to the dark color of soil humus. These are the functions of Actinomycetes. This is the structure of Actinomycetes. Chains of Conidia. This is the structures like fungi. Actinomycetes are numerous and widely distributed in soil and are next to bacteria in abundance. They are widely distributed in the soil, compost, etc. Plate count estimates give values ranging from 10 to 4 to and 10 to 8 per gram of soil. They are sensitive to acidity. This pH range is 6.5 to 8.0 and waterlogged soil conditions. The population of Actinomycetes increases with the depth of soil. They are heterotrophic, aerobic and mesophilic organisms, and some species are commonly present in compost and manures or thermophilic, growing at 55 to 60 degrees centigrade temperature. Thermoactinomycetes and Streptomycetes. The abundance of soils, genera of Actinomycetes or Streptomyces nearly 70%, Nocardia and Micromonospora, although Actinomycetes. Actinoplants and Micromonospora and Streptosporangium are also generally encountered. This is the structure of Actinomycetes. when we observed the medium, this like structures are grown in medium. This is also actinomycetes structure in soil. Next one is Streptomyces. It is a species of Actinomycetes. Scientific classification: kingdom bacteria, phylum Actinobacteria, class Actinobacteria, order Actinomycetes, family Streptomycetaceae, genus Streptomyces. Is a aerobic and gram-positive soil bacteria, filamentous growth. And Streptomyces, over 500 species are known. Branching chain, growth is always at the tips of the filaments. Vegetative phase, a complex tightly woven matrix resulting in a compact convoluted mycelium and a subsequent colony. As the colony ages, characteristic aerial filaments called sporophore are formed. They project above the colony and give rise to spores distinct from endospores. Spore formation in Streptomyces. Streptomyces color, aerial hyphae. This is the life cycle of Streptomyces. First, we have to observe the spores forming, germinating spores. And next one is vegetative growth is vegetative mycelium. Next, aerial growth is aerial hyphae. And sporulation, again sporulation and spores chains. And again new generation, this is the single spores. Streptomyces life cycles: free spores substrate mycelium in 18 hours, and we can observe the growth in 30 hours, and aerial mycelium within 2 days, and next spores development, and next the complete matured Streptomyces. This is the life cycle of Streptomyces gracious species. These are the spore forming bacteria. This species belongs to Actinomycetes.